So I'm going to show you how to adjust the bass on the JBL Boombox 4, or increase or reduce bass. Now, there are two menus to do this. One is to use the built-in bass boost feature on the JBL speaker. So there's a bass boost button here. You press it once, and that's going to enable bass boost for deep bass. And then you have bass boost for punchy bass, which basically just sounds weird. And if you want to disable bass boost and reduce the bass, you can turn that feature off. Okay. Now you can also do this from the app. So if you go into the app, the JBL Portable app, you can also do all that bass boost stuff from here. So that's one way to do it. Another way you can do it is to just go and adjust the EQ for yourself. Okay. So you have the JBL signature EQ as your default EQ setting for the speaker. You can go to the app and scroll all the way to custom, select that, and then you can adjust the bass to exactly where you want it. Now it's better to do this when you have some music playing, your favorite music. Of course, I'm not going to play any music here, but as the music is playing, you can go and adjust its EQ settings, especially on the low end, which is the bass side, this from here moving this way, and get the exact EQ you want for your JBL Boombox 4 to have exactly the bass you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.